Okay, so it's a beautiful Saturday afternoon and we are harvesting those potatoes. I have this little system set up where I'm collecting the dirt in a bin and I have the potato sack laying on its side on a little table. And Levi is helping too. So just sifting through. There's one. Actually, just leave that off to the side there. And oh, just a second, Levi. So I'm removing the branches. Here you go, Levi.
Thank you.
And that was one, but it was kind of breaking down a little bit. It was a little wet, so it was not worthy of saving. So let's see what else we got in here. Oh, here's another guy. So I already got about 5 or 6 maybe through here, from here. 2 more. Oop. And just felt something in there, a little tiny one. There's some roots. So I'm just throwing the stems and the roots in there, and then got another one. And some more roots. The soil here is really nice and dry because I stopped watering and we didn't have any rain. And so before the rain came, I went and hauled them down off the roof and sat them in the shed with their stems cut off. I already showed that in another video. That's just some compost that's not quite broken down yet. And so that makes it really easy to sift through, and it gives them a little time to cure. So it makes it quite much. You don't have to go digging through hard, wet soil to unearth these potatoes. And oh, there's another one I missed. So once we're all done, I'll show you these guys. This is how much we've harvested so far. And so how many is this, Levi? This 3 bags or 4 bags? There's 2 left in there. And there's this one. There were 6 bags, I think, altogether. So this is 3 bags worth. And there's this little bit here. And 2 more bags. Plus, are you still working on some in there? No? So right now, we've got about... we'll probably get a half a bag's worth by the time we're done. So 6 bags of potatoes equal 6 bags of plants equals half a bag of potatoes. It's not much, but it's good enough for the rooftop garden over there. Yeah.